Everyone wants to have a special life, but very few can actually design and create their own special life. The reason is very simple. They are probably doing something different than what average person is doing. Now, being an average is very easy. It's an easy formula to live the entire life with. However, being special takes some efforts. Most of the people are not ready to take that effort, and that's the reason you need to try out. If you really want to be special, these are the foundational principles that you can use to be special in your life and in somebody else's life and create the magnificence that you deserve in your life. Number one is the question, that is who. First, who you are, knowing about yourself, discovering about yourself, your own purpose, your own passion, your own mission, your own vision. And who knows you? That is, by virtue of knowing who you are, you create in the world your own brand which will stand out with respect to your values, your mission, your purpose and vision together. And this is where you need to ask yourself who. The second question that you must ask yourself is what? What do I want from this life? Whether I need money, relationship, health, wealth, finances, businesses, what is that I want from this life? And the second question you need to ask, what impact I need to make in order to achieve what I want? Now, most of the people know what I want. That is, I need this much of money, I need this house, I need this car. But people are not aware on the other side what impact or value add that you need to do in order to achieve that. And that is the reason you need to understand the what part of it. Number three, and the most critical one, is the how part of it. That is, how you want to create that impact in the world. That means, what are the methodology? What is the process? Will it be created by doing the job that you are doing? Or will it be created by the business that you want to start or you are doing? Which way you want to create that impact in the world? And the second how you need to ask is, how you want to live your life in that case. Once you make an impact, how you want to live your life. What kind of legacy that you will leave in this world that will make you special. Because those who create the history and create the legacy, they are always remembered as special. And neither you nor I would love to be called as an average, isn't it? And that's the reason you must ask and try these three questions on you and ask who, what and how of your life to make yourself special and deserve the life that is special for you. I hope this video gives you the profound questions that you need to ask yourself, some reflection time for yourself, and if it does, help me understand what have you discovered about yourself in the comment below, and let me know that how can I help you to design your life as special. If you like this video, please do share with your network and subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get life and business valuable lessons in your inbox. Till we meet next time, wish you all the best and God bless.